don't know how to do that, or like what good tactics are for, you know, understanding your finances, I would definitely recommend Dave Ramsey's book. I don't remember what it's called. What's it called? Do you know what it's called, Daniel? The Extreme Money Makeover or something?
Extreme Money Makeover. That's yeah. If you're coming from a position where you have no idea what to do,
yeah, 100%.
That's a good place to start. Yeah.
It's definitely a good place to start. It's a foolproof method on how to live a life where you're going to get to the end of it and you're going to have some money left over and you're going to be able to enjoy it. Now, that's not for everybody. Like, some people are, you know, intelligent enough to kind of like work other ways and work other avenues and do other things. But that's a good place to start. So build some financial goals, you know, talk about some things that you want to buy, want to get, and like, you know, build a good budget, take care of your personal health. And then I think I had one more. No, maybe that was it.
I think it was hobbies. The hobby one was like tied into the other one.
Yeah. So find some personal hobbies, and then also do some things for your personal health. Make sure that you take care of your personal health. And for all the men out there, if you're working in a professional setting, find a barber. You got to.
Are you saying something?
No. You look good, Daniel. No, you look great. But Daniel's going to have to find one. He's going to have to find one now that he's moved to New Orleans. Because if he goes like 2 months without a haircut, now he'll get away with it because he's on site. But if he goes 2 months without a haircut, it would be hard for him to walk around a corporate office setting looking very, very shaggy.
No, you're right. No, there's a barber shop that's like a 3-minute walk from where we just moved to. But it's one of those bougie ones where you need an appointment. So one of my friends was in town this past weekend, and he was like, "Yeah, I walked in there asking for if they had walk-ins, and they were like, we don't do walk-ins here." So I don't know if that is gonna be the place that I go to. I'm more like a $30 for a beer and a haircut kind of guy. So we'll see. You're right. I'm gonna have to find one. So wish me luck.
To find one. I will say though, like I don't. A lot of places I feel like I've gone to, they don't really do the walk-ins anymore, especially not since COVID. So like before COVID, I think it was more prevalent, right? So like you didn't mind if there were a bunch of people kind of waiting, and it's like, hey, you know, if I finish this one somewhat soon, like you just hop in and we'll work you in. But now with COVID, I think everybody's, you know, especially you have to sanitize, and like you have to do there's a lot more that goes into a haircut than previous. So I think a lot of places now you have to get an appointment.
Okay. I will relent to that. Set up the appointment. Yeah, okay, fine. Thanks for watching this segment of the Engineering Success Podcast. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All those things really help me out. They boost me up in the YouTube algorithm, and they'll help other people see this great content. Make sure to recommend the podcast to your friends. You can listen to it on Anchor, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and anywhere else you get your podcast content from. And make sure you leave me 5-star reviews, like all my videos, and consider subscribing on Patreon or Anchor. All those things help me out, and I really appreciate it. Catch you in the next one.